The attorney for the Marion County Record tells us it will be next week before they're able to verify that none of the items taken in last Friday's raid were accessed. The items seized were released back yesterday.
This comes after the search warrant was withdrawn by the Marion County attorney. Sean Logging is following up with the paper's lawyer today about what's next.
It's a calmer day in Marion, and especially at the Marion County Record. But many questions still remain as to why this happened last Friday.
Apology would be a good first step, but it's going to take a lot more than that.
The paper's attorney, Bernie Rhodes, says that apology hasn't come or an explanation of why that search warrant was allowed that led to the seizure of items at the Marion County Record and the home of its owner, Eric Meyer, and his mother, Joanne Meyer.
If proper procedures are followed, this is vetted by somebody who knows what they're doing, and then finally by a judge who knows what he or she is doing. I don't know where the breakdown occurred here. My hope is that's one of the things the KBI is going to look into.
Bernie currently has a forensic expert that works with his law firm looking over the items that were seized. That includes 6 computers, 3 cell phones, and 2 hard drives, and whether or not they were accessed while held by police. He says Thursday afternoon it will likely be next week before they know anything.
Be able to tell whether or not what we've been told, which is that nothing has been accessed, is true.
It says this incident is something that will likely be brought up at Monday's City Council meeting, the first since the police raid at the paper.
The Constitution is starting to work here, but it's a day late and a dollar short. That's why we're pressing forward.
Bernie says they are still looking at filing a lawsuit against the city. In Marion, Sean Logging, 12 News.
Funeral services for Joanne Meyer are this weekend. The service Saturday morning. She died a day after that raid at the paper. She was 98 years old. We also requested records from the Kansas City, Missouri Police Department for Marion Police Chief Gideon Cody, who worked in Kansas City until earlier this year. Besides saying that he left with the rank of captain and worked there for nearly 25 years, the department will not provide any information on internal investigations or the outcome of those, saying those don't need to be provided under the state's public records law. There's a lot to this story to follow. If you want to catch up, head to the KWCH app. We have a timeline of everything that's happened here over the last week now, and we'll be sure to update you with any new information as soon as we have it.